Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today welcome back to another unboxing video. Today is probably the most anticipated thing I wanted since that Star Trek Next Generations thing. It is Independence Day, the 20th anniversary Blu-ray, and this comes with 2 discs, and it contains both the theatrical and the extended cut. There's a spine, the other spine, the back. Yeah. Okay. There's the actual. Okay, let's open this. This was probably the most wanted movie this year from me. This was probably the most wanted movie I wanted this year. Well, not wanted to see, because there's a number of movies that I want to see this year in theaters, which are like new. Gotta be careful on here. And it has those stupid stickers on the top. Sorry, that's just a game playing in the background. Finally, I got it open. There it is. And, whoa. So I think this is disc 1, I think. And then there's the, yeah, so this is the bonus disc, and then this is the actual one. So that is it. That is the unboxing for the 20th anniversary 2-disc Blu-ray of Independence Day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in another video. See ya.